Hey, hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we are going to review buy miraclesmile.com website or this product. You should purchase this product or not, and what are the problems you are going to face if you are going to purchase this product, and it's a legit product or it's a scammy product, and what are the reasons why we are making this video. So in this video we will cover all the information related to this product. So let's get started. First of all, we are going to talk about it's a legit website or it's a scammy website. This website name is buymiraclesmile.com. As you can see, the trust score of this website is 78 out of 100, and the age of the website is 1 year old website, and all indicate it's look like a legit website. But wait a minute friends, I'm going to expose this website, the scams of this website. First of all, we are going to talk about the scams of this website. As you can see, when we are trying to open this website in our location, the website scammers are making some type of scam, or you can say in today's time I have made lots of videos on scam. That's why the website owner is blocking our IP, and they have, or you can say they are redirected this website on this page, Google page. We are unable to open this website right now. So the scammer is trying some different trick because we can't make videos. That's why I can't make video on this website. So now come to the point, what are the scam is happening on internet nowadays. The first scam is that is when you are going to place any order for this product on this website by miraclesmile.com. Your order will confirm, your money will be deducted from your account, but you will never get the product, or you can say your order will never arrive at your doorstep. This is the first scam. And the second scam is this product is available on amazon.com only in $49, and you can see the rating of the product. The same product is available on amazon.com. I will provide you this link in our video description box, and you can see the rating of the product is really too good. That means the product is really a good product. Okay, so our recommendation is you can go with this product. Yes, you can buy this product, but you should not purchase this product on this website by miraclesmile.com. This is the first our recommendation. And the second scam of this website is that is when you are going to place your order, when you are going to enter your payment detail like your credit card, like your bank detail, like your PayPal information, they may steal your financial and your personal information. So this is our second recommendation, that you should not go with this website. They can steal your financial and your personal information. So this is the second scam. And now hope you get my all the points what I'm trying to say. And if you really want to try this product, you can go with amazon.com. okay, I will provide you this link in our video description box. You can go over there, you can purchase this product very easily. So don't buy any product on this website. Buy miraclesmile.com and save your hard-earned money, and don't invest any money in this type of website. In today's time, lots of scam is happening on internet, so save your hard-earned money. So friends, hope now you get my all the points. If yes, please hit a like button, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Bye bye my dear friends, thank you so much for watching this video.